Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to again outside the shop. I got a product review video to do today. I get these things all the time. People sending me emails and wanting me to do, whatever. Usually, typically some Chinese piece that they're peddling to the world and they want to send for advertising. And I generally say no because I'm not into that kind of thing. But this one was. Siri was spying on me, and I had said something about needing a air compressor to keep in the car. So the next day, one shows up in my email saying, "Hey, you needed air compressors to try out." So that's what I got. Let's take a look. I've had this thing for a while, so I could do a fair review on it. And it comes in this little pack. And it is an Aldo, or I guess is how you say that, air compressor. And my first complaint about it is that the cord's too short. I can't use it on my dually pickup. It won't reach the duals in the back from the cigarette lighter because the cord's not long enough. It should be at least probably 3 feet longer than it is to make it useful. Also, they give you this deal on the back that you can wind it up and store it on, but it's a huge pain in the butt, so let's wrap it around the outside. It's good enough. The air hose does store decent, so let's see if we can air up a tire with it. Took some fiddling, but I got it back on the rim, up to 7 pounds. See how long it takes. 6:13, so. You can see they're $23.99 online, so cheap enough if it's going to keep you from having to call a wrecker sometime to get a tire aired up. Just go in the trunk and you'll have it for $28.50, so it should cut off here in a minute. And it cut off 30 pounds, so worked like it's supposed to. Discharge gets pretty hot, but it's not melted, didn't explode. The pump itself's not hot, just the outlet. Now how long you could let it run for. They say this thing will go to 150 psi or something like that, but it'd take days and days to get there, so I don't think I'd recommend using this for trucks. But for a car, something with 30, 35, 40 pounds, I've run it up to 50 and it worked okay. For applications like that, I'd say it'd be just fine to stow it away and have it for an emergency when you need it. And the hose does tuck away nice. You can wrap the cord on the back, but that doesn't work very good. So that's not how I do it. I just do it like this. What do you think, Bailey? Is it approved? Be good enough to get you off the side of the road anyway. So I haven't done any price shopping for comparative 12 volt AC compressors, or well, 12 volt DC compressors to keep in vehicles. So I don't know how that $23 price compares to what else is out there, but I have aired up, I guess I've done 6 tires with this so far, and it hasn't died yet, so I don't know what its overall life will be, but again, for an emergency application, I would say that it would be something handy to have to get you out of a pinch if it had to. Hope you enjoyed getting to see me use this, and my hopefully fair and balanced review of it. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll catch you later.